Okay guys, so ngayon may project na naman tayo. Eto siya, ah, this is a bit complicated, no? So, because hindi natin siya kayang kunin in one layer lang. So, dapat ito, I think, aabot to ng 4 layers ata, no? Bago natin matapos. So, dito pa lang kasi medyo mahirap na. Okay, so first, draw natin yung base. Okay, so again, make sure na straight yung base mo. Okay, so check other views. Okay, okay. Okay, so next, dito tayo. So, hmm, layo ah. Wait, check other views. Hmm, layo. Wait, again. Ay, wow. Layo, layo. Okay, so I think, hmm. Guys, sa mga instances na ganito, no, medyo malayo, I think hindi nyo siya mamamatch because it has different heights. Okay, so yung gagawin dito, gawa muna tayo ng isang layer. Okay, so gawa muna tayo isang layer. Yan. Copy natin yung height, tsaka lagyan natin ng height. 6, and then adjust tayo sa kabila. Kaya siguro hindi natin makuha or malayo because different yung height nila. Okay, so check natin ibang views. Sa mga ganyan guys, try nyo, no? Try nyo tong technique na to, gagana siya. So tapos, ulit, try natin sa ibang view. Dito. Yun, so yun nga. So the only explanation is they have different heights. Okay. So next, for buildings such as this na medyo technical, I suggest from time to time gamitan natin ng group and then F4 para ma-integrate natin yung mga ginagawa nating layer. So ngayon we have 2 layers already. So yun integration natin ay pasok na natin. So let's draw uh, tabingi. Okay. So first, next, this one, 9. Okay, so, hmm, so medyo mahirap. So, i-insert siya natin. Para hindi tayo mahirapan. Yan. So, try natin. Group. Hopefully, okay yung results. Okay, so let's check other views. F7. Okay. So, I think nakuha siya natin, no? Yun. So, yes. Next, dito tayo sa second layer. So, since the back is flat, siguro the best approach would be, uh, yan, dito tayo kukuha. And we will just use Alt to adjust. So, let's check other views. Okay. Should look like this. Then, 7. Medyo complicated siya guys, pero kaya yan. Hindi problema. One more. Okay. Yeah, so for this part, since uh, it is flat, so the best approach with this kind of building is to draw uh, a flat panel. So, draw muna tayo ng assist line para straight. Okay. Yan, so okay, so meron na tayong back. Hindi naman pala straight. Try shift Y. Again, ayaw pa rin. So later na lang. And let's connect our panels. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, so 1, 2, gano'n. 1. Okay lang yan, no? Okay lang kahit mag-insert tayo dito. I-fix natin yan mamaya using autofill. So, ito medyo tricky, no? So, ayaw. So, dito, we will use the N tool. So, okay. So, add a dot, attack, and then N. So, hopefully, mag-work siya. N. O. Okay, so, ito yung problem ng N. Kapag naka 3D mode ka, parang hindi siya gagana. Y, Y, snap. Okay, so gumana. Salamat. Next, dito tayo sa part na to. Okay, so let's close. Small. Oh, sorry. Naka-N. So, meron tayong small gap. Let's just close this later. No? Ayusin natin to later. After natin mag group and then F4. Let's see. Yun. Okay, so gumana siya. Pero I think this is wrong. So, what to do? Adjust na lang tayo siguro. Or dapat nakadikit siya talaga. Try natin idikit ha. I think dapat nakadikit siya eh. Yan. And then, adjust. Okay, and then let's try to group and then 4. So this is wrong. Do some minor adjustments. Like, oh, shucks. Oh, so high. Okay, so okay na to. So, group na lang tapos, yan yung maganda guys, no? If you want to close something, pwede nyo siyang i-overlap sa loob tapos gamitan nyo na lang ng auto repair. For this one, remove muna natin yung base. So, sige, hanap tayo ng ibang view. Ito, try natin. Yan. Medyo kulang, no? Use M to adjust. Okay, so this is good enough. So we need to access the base below, no? Para, so let's remove, oh sorry. So let's remove this panel, press J, so that we will have access on the base below. Okay, so J again, let's fix. Cut this part out and capture the panel. Next is this one, the sides. Okay, so I think this should be one panel. Okay, this should be connected here. So try natin na magda-dot tayo, dot technique. Ano ba yung dot technique na yan? So, ito siya. Maglalagay lang tayo ng dot sa panel. 1, para matak natin. 2. Again, let's use the right image as reference. No? Okay. Parang okay naman siya. And let's make a temporary base. Lagyan ng wall. Oh, lagyan natin ng wall. Copy. Click and then maklik. Space. Okay, adjust lang natin yan. Oh, pero at least parang nakuha natin. And so, again, we are using the right image as reference. Ano tayo iba? So, na-post ko na naman. Eto. I think tama naman siya nakuha natin. Okay, capture natin to. And then, parang, usog kaya natin. Let's try to use M tool. Hopefully gagana siya. So M, usog. Medyo sobra. Then let's try to Oh, sorry. N. Group, and then autofix. Okay. So, but this part, I see. So, that is why hindi ko siya makuha. So, flat kasi siya. Okay, so, I need to add, ganyan. Check natin kung tama. Kaya pala ayaw mag-match. Yun, nakuha natin, di ba? So, yun lang pala yung kulang. Pero, sa kulang pa. Dapat mas malaki-laki siya. So, again, I'm using the right as reference. And, okay na to. Next, dito tayo. So, wait, let's first check other views if kuha siya natin. Ito. Yun. So, I think we did a pretty good job, no? So, let's continue. The last part, dito. Meron ka pala sa likod. So, ayaw na naman gumana ni. Oh, mm, yun. And, assist line. Try ko. Okay, so tama naman. Dito guys, kahit i-insert nyo siya sa loob. Uy, mali. O kahit naka-insert yan, walang problema. Because, just, you will just use repair, auto repair later. Ni, malayo ah. Tuwa tayo assist line. Para ma-extend natin to. Yan. Kailangan natin to extend sa loob para wala gap. Yan, ganyan siya dapat. Malayo. Ulit. And then, close. Yan. Ay, wow. Ayaw mag-snap. Okay, so let's try. Parang tama naman. 7. Okay, so group and then F4. Okay, so let's just move. Move natin, pasok natin, and then F4 again. Okay, and last but not the least, the back or the uh, Since, ay, mali. Hindi, we cannot consider this as a secondary, no? Because it has walls, okay? It has walls, visible walls. So, oh, shucks. Okay, and then it has a slope, or possible extension. Sige, slope tayo. And, ito pa, last, ano napansin ko. This one, actually, guys, I'm not sure if, uh, wait, kasi natatabunan siya ng puno. Ito, try natin. So, parang barn siya, no? Yung harap, open. Oh, open siguro yung harap. So, this will become a secondary attachment. For this one, madali na lang to. So, nahirapan tayo. Inabot tayo ng 22 minutes. Pero sige lang. Power lang. And this will become. Oh, medyo mataas. Medyo mataas. Yan. And remove the bottom. And we are done. Let's check F4 first. F4, sorry. F4. And let's check the final result. This one, I think this is a 10th, so let's ignore that. Alt R. Hmm, 3D mode. Okay, so eto siya. Nagawa siya natin ng maayos. So, medyo complicated, pero still, no? With the proper technique and patience, nagawa natin. So, hopefully guys, ma-apply nyo din sa mga buildings na ginagawa nyo. I'll keep posting hard buildings such as this one. Okay, so thank you, and sana nakatulong.